With dumbbell bench presses, you achieve greater range of motion than with a barbell. They allow to isolate and train dormant muscle groups, challenge and strengthen joint stability. Squeeze chest, glutes and press the knees out. The devil press combines the burpee movement pattern with the load of 2 dumbbells. The arms are fully extended overhead, chest and thighs make contact with the ground. For the thruster, the dumbbells remain over the middle of the foot. The hips descend back and down and lower than the knees. Start in the hang position and pull up the dumbbell to a single arm push press. Stand hip width and for the push press with the elbow slightly in front of your body. The torso dips straight down, hips and legs extend, then press. The repetition is complete at full hip, knee and arm extension. Continue with the 3 movements until you've finished 5 rounds. Have fun! Cooling down, let's train the lower abdominals, crisscrossing the legs one over the other. The legs are straight and up in the air. Plank up and down strengthens arms and core in one go. Keep the head, neck and spine aligned and the glutes engaged. 3, 2, 1, go!